In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a recipe on Myfitnesspal. Whether you're adjusting ingredients or tweaking serving sizes, these simple steps will help you make the most out of your meal tracking. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Myfitnesspal website. Once you're there, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. For those who might not remember how, simply enter your email or username and password and hit the login button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before we proceed. After logging in, the next step is to navigate to the food section. You'll typically find this option at the top of the page in the main navigation menu. Clicking on food will drop down some options, and from there, you'll want to select recipes. This is where all your saved recipes are located, and it's the hub for managing them. Once in the recipes section, take a moment to find the specific recipe you want to edit. Over time, you may have accumulated quite a few, so use the search function or scroll through your list as needed. Once you've found it, click on the recipe name to view its details. At the top, or somewhere prominently displayed, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it, and this will bring up the editing interface. In this area, you have the flexibility to modify various aspects of your recipe. For instance, if you want to change the title of your recipe to something catching or more descriptive, simply click on the name field and edit away. Furthermore, you can add new ingredients to your recipe. Perhaps you decided to add some spinach to your tomato pasta for extra nutrients, or maybe you discovered a more accurate measurement for your existing components. Simply find the Add Ingredients option and update the text fields according to your needs. Once you've made all your desired changes, don't forget to double check that everything is correct. Carefully review the ingredients, measurements, and the overall nutritional breakdown if that's important to you. When you're satisfied with the edits, click on the Save and Log It button. This ensures that your changes are saved and reflected in your daily food log. Next, decide when you'll be enjoying this delicious creation by selecting the part of the day, such as breakfast, lunch, or dinner, in which you'll consume it. Finally, make sure to adjust the servings if necessary. This is crucial for maintaining accurate nutritional tracking. Once all these steps are completed, press the final Log It button to confirm everything. And there you have it, a freshly edited recipe on MyFitnessPal. Enjoy tweaking your meals to perfection and happy tracking.